Hello and welcome to Bleak's Nature. I am your host, Hans Bleak. Today, the Bay Area wetlands, a beautiful, pristine area, as you can see. Oh, but what is this here? Oh, look at this. Caution. Radioactive materials. We can find bismuth 214, lead 212, radium 226, thorium 228 and 232, and uranium 233, 235 and 238 buried under this. Apparently buried not so well because it is, as you can see, above ground, and it is right here in front of the Bay Area wetlands. Oh, and what's that? That's the bay. So you see, humans are incredibly stupid idiots who decide to bury radioactive materials by water and by the beautiful bay. We are 3/4 of a mile away from Berkeley, the center of protest, and I don't see any Berkeley people protesting what's happening here. They don't care because it is in fact enrichment, which for the Berkeleyites is a different planet. This is another edition of Bleak's Nature, a very serious edition of Bleak's Nature with your host Hans Bleak, which is me.